Good evening, all of you. Welcome to today's session on empowering entrepreneurs, which is more about how do we create effective websites, and this is through a certain tool which we all maybe have heard about, that is SmartBiz by Amazon. In fact, Amazon, as we all know, is one of the largest e-commerce platforms that is existing on this planet, and I understand, has been able to create something fascinating, and this certainly today evening promises to be a wonderful journey for all of us, because I had a brief introduction and interaction downstairs with the team, trying to understand what are they going to talk about, and I wish this session is going to be extremely useful, and I not just wish, but I'm absolutely confident, because of the fact that in today's time, when every single business, be it for the matters of buying your groceries to your dry fruits to everything else, when you're looking at online shopping and shopifying your entire your budget, I believe this is the time when we cannot ignore e-commerce as a business. So I'm glad that we have team all the way from Amazon. In fact, I understand most of them, or rather all of them, have specially come in from Bangalore to be here with us. If we can give a loud round of applause to have their presence. Thank you. What I'm going to do is, I'm not going to take much of your time. We have kind of a panel discussion, but before I'll briefly introduce all the four ladies on the stage with us. So we have Miss Anusha here with us. She comes with 9 years of rich experience across FMCG, e-commerce, and SaaS domains. Companies like Procter & Gamble, Flipkart, and now Amazon as well. With a keen focus on leading channel management, trade marketing, GTM strategies, she has led multiple 0 to 1 initiatives and establishing new functions from the ground up. She is passionate about driving impact by building diverse teams and cultivating strong customer relationships. She currently leads GTM, including sales, marketing, and growth for smart commerce initiatives. Anusha, thank you so much for being with us, and I'll take this honor to welcome you with a small token of love and a welcome flower. We also have Ms. Bhagyashree with us, whose expertise is essentially, of course, as much as 9 years in the corporate arena, navigating the rounds of strategy, digital, and B2B marketing. Branding, business development, e-commerce, and SaaS. Again, I mean, if you are in Bangalore, I think SaaS is one thing you cannot. While the rest of entire India has this SaaS Bahu, Bangalore has its own case of SaaS to deal with. And with a rich background in these domains, she has made significant contributions across diverse landscapes, from India and Southeast Asia to the bustling markets of USA. So again, somebody with a rich experience, not just in certain domains, but across geography and locations. Thank you so much, Bhagyashree, for being with us. Of course, one for you as well. We also have Ms. Chetna with us. Again, she is a GTM specialist at Amazon. Of course, GTM, in the technical lingo, as they say, is go-to market. So she is a GTM specialist at Amazon, and she brings a wealth of expertise from her previous role as a partner manager in YouTube Shopping, with over 4 years of invaluable experience as influencer specialist in the marketing and advertising industry. She has left an indelible mark on the e-commerce and D2C brands. Very glad, Chetna, that you could make it as well. Thank you so much, and I'll have a memento and a flower for you as well. And finally, we also have Ms. Nikita with us. She's again a GTM smart commerce strategist at Amazon, renowned for their ability to drive growth and innovation in the ever evolving landscape of business solutions. She excels in developing and executing go-to-market plans, identifying new opportunities, and forging strategic partnership with key accounts. Very glad, Nikita, that you've joined us as well. And I take this moment to welcome you. I think we are waiting for Dr. Satya to join us, but once he's here with us, I'll of course certainly introduce him and bring him in the discussion as well. So what do? We start with Nikita, yeah, and then we take it forward from there on.
First of all, thank you so much, Janelle, for a kind introduction and the memento. Sorry, I think this is... Just, I'll take a moment. Yeah. It's okay. Yeah. Thank you so much, first of all, for coming here and giving us this opportunity to discuss about the online business, website development, overall smart commerce, and especially smart commerce offered by Amazon. So I would just take you through the agenda we have today. So I think I can read the audience, and it's not hard to say that you understand the importance of online business, but also one thing which is important is to understand the components of it and the components of a good website. So apart from that, we'll also be discussing about what Smart Commerce by Amazon is and how that will help you to take your business a digital flight. So we'll keep the questions for the end. So yeah. All right. So starting an online business, I really want to know that how many people are already having an online business here. So very few actually. And I hope you understand what is the importance of it. First of all, it has pushed all the geographical boundaries. Now the Surat textiles are being sold into Bangalore market or Mysore market. We see it very easily because they are able to leverage the power of internet. And obviously that has reduced the operational cost and decreased the other charges as well. So that is one point. And as you can see the numbers, there is a preference from the customer also, because now they don't need to wait from that 10 to 5, 10 to 10 ka slot to buy anything. They have their online shops available 24/7. And in the current scenario, it's actually very easy to build this online website or a business platform. So if we talk like a little bit more about numbers, you can see that there is a certain increase, and especially that increase has came after COVID for the D2C channels and the D2C mode of business, where the manufacturers sometimes really directly want to connect with the customers and understand how their products are performing and how they can grow. So that is it. And as I said earlier, that the consumers also are having that brand trust with the retailers or the manufacturer when they go through the website. And all of it eventually increases the conversion rate for the seller. So when we say multiple times going online, there are certain things which we actually need to be very much prepared before actually getting into the online market. So first thing is you should already have a strong strategy to start with, because there is no coming back from that. And to have that strategy is a more of the point at your end, but to develop it and sell it to your customer, you should have the compelling visuals also, which also includes a great logo. Like, you can identify Nike from that tick or Adidas from that 3 stripes. So that's how a logo plays role in brand development. So apart from that, you should have, like, once you're online, your stocks, your inventories, your product catalog should be ready, because you cannot stop that in between and start again. So these are the sides which you need to prepare, but for the customer, you need to give a experience of, let's say, secure payment gateway, hassle-free deliveries, returns, exchange policies, and these things need to be defined for the customer so that they will also come to your website and make those purchases. So when we talk about getting online, apart from marketplaces, one thing which comes up is the website. And why a website? Because that is exactly the brand destination for your business. That is actually the CTA to all your social media whenever they visit your pages. And it's a channel which now you can develop without any cost. And you can also control your policies, your pricings, and dictate your story to your customers. So now coming to a very important point. What makes a good website? First of all, since we are in Gujarat, I'll give a comparison from a typical shop we have it here. You will invest a lot into the interior of it, light of it, like lightings of it, location of it, the pamphlets, the hoardings. Similarly, we need to have a similar great user interface for a website also. It has to be user friendly and intuitive. The designs have to be very responsive, and when we talk about high quality content and visual appeal is about your product. The media you're using for your product, the images, the videos, and even the product description, how it is. And very importantly, call to action. If you are selling a product, your customer should know where to click and buy that product. Apart from that, what you need to have is the proper analytics of it, like how your products and websites are performing. And lastly, it would be the social media interaction. I mean, I don't even have to stress on the fact that how important social media is playing a role to actually make or break a business, right? So I would like to welcome Anusha to discuss more about smart commerce and smart biz.
Hey, thanks, Nikita. I think before we go to Smart Biz, right, we'll maybe start with interacting with you a bit. I think all of you seem slightly quiet. How many of you have started something? It could be business, it could be service, it could be a hobby, it could be a manufacturing unit. How many of you have started something? I think almost like if I can, I think 60 to 70% of you, right? I think now the next question is, how many of you have started something and failed at it? Okay. I was just like looking at it. You know what is one thing which is worse than starting something and failing? Not starting something. I think that's what I want to start with. I was just looking at, there's a new series now, new movie, Steve Jobs on Netflix. Steve Jobs says, any businesses, if you have to make successfully, you have to start small, but dream big. I think that's what we are doing through Smart Commerce. I'll go to what is Smart Commerce. We've been talking about different jargon starting from smart, right? So this is a new initiative within Amazon. That's why I started with how many of you started, etc. It's like very, very simply put, what we realized in last 2 years is in India, the business is not just happening now in stores or Kirana stores. And it's not even just on, like, let's say Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, I don't know, you would know all marketplaces, right? The business is happening even outside of it. Business is happening on WhatsApp. Business is happening on Instagram. Business is happening on Facebook. And business is happening through own website. Direct to customer, I think you would have all heard D2C, and you would have all heard all the brands of, like, let's say Mamaearth, etc., right? So that's where the business and consumption is going. So our head, Amit Agarwal, his vision was, if the consumption is going towards it, if the business future is there, Amazon should be a part of it. Amazon is the leader in e-commerce, whether it is logistics, whether it is data, whether it is building brands, whether it is bringing traffic, we have the expertise. Why don't we build a service in this area? So that was like kind of the vision we started with. So it's simply, as we have put in the slides, it's end-to-end tech product in 3 buckets. If you see first thing, right, like very simply, all of you would have shopped on let's say some Amazon or any website, etc. So we are building product at 3 stages. Pre-checkout, any consumer who is like looking at product on a website, etc., browsing, etc. So that's where our hero product that my other team members will talk today, SmartBiz, will come into picture. It's a no-code website builder, not just a website builder, but powered with lot of other capabilities to get you started on this D2C sector, right? That's where the first one. Second is at checkout, like, you put the product, etc. But while checking out, you need some more trust. You won't like go to and then do the payment unless you have trust. And that is where we are bringing something called Buy with Prime or Buy with Amazon. It's already there in US Amazon. We are bringing a version of India. It's already proven with a conversion booster or a sales booster. Last one that we have is order management. Now, ठीक है, मतलब सारे business वगैरह कर लिया, बहुत सारा order आ गया, scale आ गया, but manage कैसे करें? Like now people are on different channels, different like offline, online, etc. How do you manage the scale? So order management system, integrated management system. So that's what we are building. But today we'll be focusing a lot on SmartBiz, the website builder, because we truly believe every business starts with a website today. At least whichever is consumer product businesses, they start with a website. Now, very simply, what is SmartBiz? As I talked about, it's a tech product, but to use it, you don't need any technology or you don't need any technical expertise. It's a no-code SaaS online website builder, and my team will do a hands-on session with you. You can build a website if you're interested within minutes. You can list unlimited products. Let's say you're selling sarees, or you're selling bed sheets, you're selling beauty products, or you're selling, let's say, shampoos, you're selling toys, baby care, anything. You can list those with our tools. You can offer multiple payment options. Today it's like UPI, whether it is cash on delivery, whether it is cards that you can integrate. You can route all your customers from various channels and manage all the orders, as I talked about. Yeah, I mean, I think what we are trying to aim is get you started with a website, help you manage end-to-end with payment, shipment, etc., and help you scale with some of the Amazon's first of it kind of initiatives that we are bringing today. We want to introduce as a bundle. Lastly, I think why SmartBiz? Because it's a complete package. You would so if you are an online business, right, and if you obviously look at Google, obviously you will find thousands of website builders. What we are trying to take a different package is, it's a complete package. It's not just website builder. After you build a website, what are the tools to get traffic? What are the tools to convert your customers? We also focus a lot on service, and that's why account management you see in the first box is very important for us. Today we are 1.5 years in this product. All of you are also startup. We are also startup. So we have 500 plus early adopters. For a few more months till our early adopter journey, we will give free account management. We have themes, which is like a storefront appearance, etc. We have early access to beta features. And also we have social commerce, something which is exciting, which Bhagyashree will talk about later. These are the things we have. I think, yeah, that's it. And I'll hand it over to Bhagya to take over all the other features of SmartBiz.
Thanks, Anusha. I think that was a great introduction to SmartBiz, and also what Nikita said, that when you're setting up a store, it's very similar. Like, you'll set up a store, you'll do the walls, you'll do the merchandising. Setting up a website is also something very similar. It's like आप अपनी खुद की दुकान बना रहे हैं, but वो digital है, online है. So how SmartBiz helps you do that, I'll take you through a few things how it does. For example, there are a lot of customizations you can do on your website. Like say you want to have a certain theme for your website. Say you sell apparel, so you will want a certain theme. Say you say beauty, you want a certain theme कि आपके हीरो प्रोडक्ट्स कहाँ दिखेंगे, आपका जो ब्रांड about your brand जो आपका स्टोरी है वो कहाँ दिखेगा. So all of this, how you will set it up on your website, how you will arrange your products on your home page, how you will show the testimonials जो आपके customers share करते हैं, what do they talk about your product, you would want to show it on the home page. You would want to showcase your social proof, like how many followers you have on Instagram or how do you sell on YouTube. All of those things you can do it on SmartBiz. All of these things can be linked on your website using the customizations we provide you on the tool. Next comes, आपने दुकान सजा लिया, आपने लोकेशन बना लिया, you created your brand destination which is your website link, you've set up the walls, now you have to merchandise it. आपको उसमें आपके products सजाने हैं which is cataloging. SmartBiz allows you to do unlimited cataloging in a way that it builds basket, in a way that your customers would want to buy those products, they would want to add it to cart, they would apply the coupons and they would actually check out and shop for it. We provide a very interesting feature called AI cataloging. Amazon is one of the leaders in technology in the world, and we have been able to use artificial intelligence to help you cataloging on this website. So you just give a name of what your product is, put one image of it, it will enhance the image, it will generate a description for you, so you don't have to do all of that yourself. We also provide bulk cataloging. If you have thousands of products, you can list all of them in a matter of minutes. We provide an inventory counter which will help you manage the inventory you have in each of your SKUs on your website channel, and we will also help you add videos to your product descriptions where you can show how your product actually works. Say if you're selling a pressure cooker, how does it actually work? If you're selling a washing machine, how does it actually work? So that's in cataloging. So this is now how you will start setting up the website. I'll next move on to how will you manage this website. Now you have set up the website, you have done the cataloging, you've taken the domain. Now what? Now it's about marketing your website. You will have to get traffic, you will have to get people visiting your website to browse your website, to browse that homepage where you have put all these testimonials and videos, to browse that product description page where you have written everything about your product. So all of that again becomes very easy with SmartBiz by Amazon, which gives you a application at your end, at the seller's end, which you can use to manage your orders end to end, offer multiple payment options. We have partnered with Razorpay and Pine Labs. You can use them to integrate payments to your website. We also have cash on delivery which you can integrate. Coupons to increase conversion. You will always want to provide certain coupons and offers to your customers coming on your website. You can very well do that on SmartBiz and avail Chinta-free shipping. When we say Chinta-free shipping, because online ordering something online is one part of it. Fulfillment is a very big part of it. जो orders customer place कर रहे हैं उनको deliver करना is a very important part of it. We have partnered with ShipRocket, and we also provide one other feature called Buy with Amazon, which I'll talk about, which will solve your fulfillment also through website. We also provide a bouquet of services which you can use to manage your website, because maintaining like any other shop, your website is your digital shop. Maintaining it needs consistent effort in terms of managing your catalog, refreshing your catalog day to day, designing your campaigns for your traffic generation ads, managing your meta ads on Facebook and Instagram, and using the analytics from Amazon to have the right kind of descriptions, right kind of images, right kind of selection on your website. All of these services also we provide. We have some preferred partners who will also help you with these services, and we have our in-house account management team as well, which will help you with these services. Then move on to, now you have set up your website. Now you know how to manage your website, how to run it. The next step is scaling it. Now that you have set it up and you know how to run it, you would want to go to the next step and scale it. You've got your initial orders. Now what? How do I grow? We do provide options on how you can actually leverage a website channel, a direct online channel, to scale your business. So one of the unique traffic levers we provide is social commerce. Especially, I'll take a parallel of Instagram. So these days, a lot of shopping which you do, you discover those products on Instagram. Say when you're scrolling through Instagram, you find something, you like it, you see an influencer using it, and you like the way the product works. Now you want to buy it, and brands put a shop now link there, which you click, go to the website, which redirects you to a very different kind of an experience, and there you have to then do your shopping. What we have done is we have partnered with a similar social commerce platform like Instagram called Hippie, where the entire shopping, like once you like the product, now you don't want to go somewhere else outside that platform to shop it. We allow you shopping within the platform itself. You can place your order, you can complete the entire checkout journey. What this does is it increases conversion for customers. Say, if you are a customer and you have to have 4 or 5 different hops until you actually end up buying the product, you'll most likely end up not buying it. Your customers will drop off. What happens when you integrate that entire experience on this platform is people don't drop off. The hops are lower, so the conversion is higher. So what we mean by 2x ROAS is your 2x return on your ad spend. If you're running a campaign on this social media platform called Hippie, if in a normal campaign 100 customers would have ended up shopping out of the 1,000 customers who saw it, with an embedded shopping experience, more than 200 customers will end up shopping out of those 1,000. So that's how it increases the return on your ad spend. You can unify your entire social shopping using this feature. So your customers might be shopping on Hippie, on Josh. Josh is another social media platform which we have partnered. So whichever of these social media platforms you are marketing your product, all the shopping will happen on this SmartBiz website. So all your orders are unified. You don't have to manage them separately on separate platforms. What we have also done is we are providing first 3,000 impressions for free on Hippie because of our partnership with them. So if today you start your brand and then you create your Hippie account and run a campaign, the first 3,000 impressions will be free of cost. And it also provides you smooth UI, which I was telling a little while before, that the UI, the interaction is very seamless. I'll move on to buy with Amazon, but I'm open to any questions on social commerce. I see a little confused faces after I talked about this. Any burning questions? Yes, please. Sorry, I couldn't hear you, so can you be a little louder? Amazon's own website. Yes. सो जो अमेज़ॉन की वेबसाइट है और अमेज़ॉन का ऐप है वो एक मार्केट प्लेस है. वहाँ पे एक साइड पे बहुत सारे सेलर्स हैं जो अपने प्रोडक्ट्स बेच रहे हैं, एक साइड पे बहुत सारे कस्टमर्स हैं जो खरीद रहे हैं सिर्फ अमेज़ॉन से. तो ये जो कस्टमर्स हैं अमेज़ॉन के हैं, राइट. जो प्रोडक्ट्स बिक रहे हैं वो एक्चुअली अमेज़ॉन इज सेलिंग. ये जो मैं बात कर रही हूँ ये एक ब्रांड का खुद का वेबसाइट होगा. जैसे डू यू हैव अ ब्रांड सर और डू यू हैव अ बिजनेस? Yes, you can get whichever domain you want. We don't lock your domain with SmartBiz. So you can purchase whichever domain and you can link it to this website. We give a default domain with the website builder, but you can link any domain. Yes, you can create your website. You can create all the content which you want on your website, and that website का जो address है, if you want it to have a different name, say like you said mybusiness.com, you can buy that kind of a name from any of the hosting services like GoDaddy Hostinger and link it to your website. Yes sir? Okay, so like Anusha was telling before, ये जो industry of marketplace, like sir was asking, Amazon खुद भी sell करता है, which is marketplace way of selling. there was all this shopping which was happening outside marketplace. जो brands directly sell करना चाहते हैं अपने customers को, वो Amazon के through या Flipkart के through या Meesho के through नहीं बेचना चाहते हैं. उस इंडस्ट्री में भी जो e-commerce हो रहा है उसको empower करने के लिए we have entered this industry. Earlier we were not there in this industry, but now we are entering this industry with this product.
नहीं तो Amazon को कुछ नहीं मिलेगा, आप ये बता रहे हैं how Amazon will get benefited.
So this is a SaaS tool. This is a software as a service tool. Essentially what happens with SaaS products is typically if you've heard about Shopify or Dukaan, you pay a subscription fees or you pay a very small commission on every transaction. We will also have a similar kind of model, but not now. It will mostly we will be free for.
नहीं तो prices will be according to Amazon.
You'll be.
जो भी प्राइस हम रखेंगे वेबसाइट पे वो अकॉर्डिंग टू अमेजोन रहेगा. नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं.
No. You can do whatever content you want anyway. It's your own website. It's just the tool which is from Amazon. Yeah.
All right.
Thank you.
We'll take one quick question and then maybe continue with you. So.
Engineering. Oh, you can create your own categories as well on SmartBiz.
So they are sector agnostic, as I understand.
We are sector agnostic. You can create your own category also, and my team member, when she'll take you through how exactly it works, when we do the hands-on, we'll show you how creating a custom category works. You can name the category, you can add an image, all of that can be done.
Bhagyaji, what I suggest is we finish because I think questions are going to take a lot of time. So ideally maybe we finish in next 20 minutes, all 3-4 of you.
Yes,
and take
let's do that.
The last half an hour questions.
Okay, cool. I'll move on to this slide on Buy with Amazon, which is another unique feature which we are offering, which is essentially a checkout solution on your website. Basically, when you're shopping on any brand's website, typically there is a different checkout process where you have to add the product to cart, you have to fill your entire address, phone number, payment details, and then shop. What Amazon is providing is, we are providing a tool called Buy with Amazon, where while checking out, if you click on Buy with Amazon and you are an Amazon customer, all your details will get auto-populated. Your last address which you have used will get auto-populated. The phone number, even your payment details, they will get automatically populated, and your checkout will be one click. What this does is it makes the checkout process much faster, with lesser effort from the customers, and thus increases conversion. So you build a website, you spend on traffic, you get traffic on your website. Now you would want this traffic, you would want most of the conversion happening from this traffic. You would want this traffic to convert more than ever before, because this is your customer, this is your captive set of customers who have landed on your website. So you would want to make the shopping much more easier and faster for them, and we provide a solution there which will make the checkout much faster, increase conversion, more number of customers will end up actually shopping from your website than just visiting it. So yeah, that's Buy with Amazon. It was there globally as Buy with Prime. We are bringing it to India as Buy with Amazon, and we will provide it for free again along with SmartBiz by Amazon. So basically what we are trying to say is, you get a trusted website builder from a brand like Amazon. You get expert services from us to start and manage it. You get access to a lot of Amazon first features like social commerce, like Buy with Amazon, and also ease of fulfillment. So SmartBiz by Amazon is that entire package when it comes to having your own website. These are some of our key features at a glance, which mostly we spoke about: having premium themes, AI cataloging, Metapixel integration. We also provide ShipRocket Enterprise Plus plan worth 60K for an year for free, which gives you a lower shipping cost than the market. Social commerce, Buy with Amazon, we provide 3,000 free impressions on Hippie. Video commerce and custom category, which we'll talk about. Coupons and offers to set up on your website, linking your social media handles, and no platform cost. These are some of the features which are coming up next in the journey, which is enabling returns, having a Google Tag Manager linked to your website, Google Analytics, WhatsApp retargeting, more themes, and SEO. We'll do a small hands-on session now, and Nikita and Chetna will take it up.
आई एम बैक अगेन. सो आई अंडरस्टैंड बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस होंगे अभी कि ये सब कैसे होगा और क्या होगा और क्या. सो उसी के लिए वी थॉट कि हम यहीं पे आज ट्राई कर लेते हैं एंड वील नो. सो फर्स्ट आई हैव टू रिक्वेस्ट all of you, especially the people with Android phone, to check this application, SmartBiz by Amazon, on Play Store. Sorry? Install. Great. And if someone does not have Android, हम एक desktop की link भी है, so you can save this link for yourself. So whatever जो भी अभी हमने बात करी है about the features and how you will create the website, we'll do a small live demo here. So आप लोगों को और भी I know उसके बाद और ज़्यादा questions आएंगे, so एक साथ we'll try to answer.
All right, just a quick disclaimer that I'm going to allow all of you to ask only one question. I mean, no counters. If you have कि Amazon पैसे कैसे बनाएगा, that's just one question. If the answer is not given, I think I'll move to another gentleman or lady because you don't want to enter into a dialogue. If your answer remains unanswered after the session, you can come one-to-one. The team will be around for another. We need to wrap up at 7:45. I'll give another 10-15 minutes. But if you get a chance to ask a question, make it very specific and just one question at a time so that more people can get a chance. So we take questions later on. She'll show the demo and then we take it on.
I hope you have the application now. I hope आपने application download कर लिया है. So अभी application में जो next page आपको दिखेगा will ask you कि आपको login करना है. So इसमें login आप अपने कोई से भी Amazon account से कर सकते हैं. You just need to, you can use your आपका customer account and I'm sure आप सबके पास होगा. उस ही credential से आप login कर सकते हैं. I'll just wait for 30 seconds and आप login कर पाएँ जब तक. ओके. सो पहला जो आपको पेज वहाँ पे दिखेगा आपकी बिजनेस डिटेल्स के बारे में बोलेगा. सो दिस बिजनेस डिटेल मीन्स जो भी नाम आप आपकी वेबसाइट का या स्टोर का देना चाहते हैं वो. लेट्स से आपका बिज़नेस का नाम माई बिज़नेस है तो फर्स्ट लाइन में आपको माई बिज़नेस लिखना है एंड सेकेंड लाइन में आपको बिज़नेस कैटेगरी सेलेक्ट करनी है. आई अंडरस्टैंड किसी के यहाँ पे कैटेगरी नहीं मिली थी तो लेटर ऑन आगे जाके आपको कस्टम कैटेगरी का भी ऑप्शन है. तो अभी आप एक जनरल कैटेगरी, दिस विल बी योर बिजनेस कैटेगरी नॉट योर प्रोडक्ट कैटेगरी. सो अभी के लिए अगर आपकी कैटेगरी अवेलेबल नहीं है आप जनरल कैटेगरी सेलेक्ट करेंगे. नेक्स्ट फ्यू स्टेप्स में आपको कस्टम कैटेगरी कैसे बनाते हैं विल टेल यू. सो आफ्टर एंटरिंग योर नेम प्लीज़ बी कॉशियस क्योंकि जो आपका डिफ़ॉल्ट URL रहेगा वो ये नेम रहेगा. सो आप ट्राई करें कि पहली ही बार में सही नाम इसमें डालें. कैटेगरी सेलेक्ट करने के बाद आप अपनी लोकेशन सेट कर सकते हैं जो कि आपके फ़िज़िकल स्टोर की या फिर एनी पिकअप पॉइंट या वेयर हाउस जो भी आप देना चाहते हैं वो लोकेशन सेलेक्ट कर सकते हैं. ये लोकेशन आपकी वेबसाइट पे डिस्प्ले होगी बट आप चूज़ कर सकते हैं बाद में से हाइड करना. इन बेसिक स्टेप से आपका फर्स्ट स्टेप टुवर्ड क्रिएटिंग योर वेबसाइट इज़ कंप्लीटेड. सेम नोटिफिकेशन आपको आपकी ऐप पे भी दिखेगी. नाउ द फर्स्ट थिंग आफ्टर क्रिएटिंग द वेबसाइट, पहली चीज़ जो आएगी वो है आपका प्रोडक्ट अपलोड करना. भाग्यश्री हैज़ कवर्ड अ लॉट ऑफ वे टू अपलोड प्रोडक्ट्स. उसमें बल्क अपलोड भी उन्होंने बताया था, उन्होंने AI कैटलॉगिंग भी बताया था. दीज आर द फीचर्स जो आप आराम से एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हैं. बट मैं आपको एक वन बाय वन जो प्रोडक्ट अपलोड करने का वे है आई जस्ट शो यू हेयर एंड यू कैन ट्राई इट ऑफ. यू कैन आप अपने फ़ोन की कोई भी एक पिक्चर या कोई भी एक प्रोडक्ट इमेज को चूज़ करके प्रोडक्ट की डिटेल्स, बेसिक डिटेल्स विच इज़ योर नेम, डिस्क्रिप्शन MRP, सेलिंग प्राइस. MRP इज़ लेट्स से इफ़ इट्स 100 और आप सेलिंग प्राइस 90 डाल रहे हैं तो प्रोडक्ट वहाँ पे 10% डिस्काउंट के साथ में शो होगा आपकी वेबसाइट के CX पे. सो एज आई सेड, बिजनेस कैटेगरी वो है जो आपने पहले सेलेक्ट करी थी. इसके बाद आपके पास जो दूसरा ऑप्शन है वो है प्रोडक्ट कैटेगरी सेलेक्ट करने का. लेट्स से आपकी बिजनेस कैटेगरी अपैरल है, योर प्रोडक्ट कैटेगरी कैन बी कुर्तीज़ और ड्रेसेस और एनीथिंग. सो दैट इज़ अ डिफरेंट बिटवीन देम. नाउ अनदर ऑप्शन हियर इज़ इन्वेंट्री. आप अपनी अवेलेबल स्टॉक को यहाँ मेंशन करते सकते हैं. आपने अगर 10 मेंशन किया है एंड आपके 10 ऑर्डर्स आपके वेबसाइट से आ चुके हैं तो ऑटोमेटिकली वो आपकी वेबसाइट पे आउट ऑफ स्टॉक शो होने लगेगा. हेंस इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू पुट द इन्वेंट्री ओवर हियर. सो फॉर द ट्रायल यू कैन चूज़ कोई भी आप एक डमी प्रोडक्ट के साथ में कलर एंड साइज़ वगैरह ट्राई करके जो भी आपका प्रोडक्ट है उसके हिसाब से कर सकते हैं.
यहीं पे वाइल आप अपने प्रोडक्ट्स अपलोड कर रहे हैं, आपको एक ऐड न्यू कैटेगरी का भी ऑप्शन दिख रहा होगा. वहाँ पे अगर आपकी कैटेगरी एग्जिस्टिंग नहीं है तो आप एक कैटेगरी ऐड भी कर सकते हैं वहाँ पे.
ओके, सो आफ्टर एडिंग द डिटेल्स अबाउट द प्रोडक्ट, आप अपने प्रोडक्ट को बेस्ट सेलर या हाईलाइट करना चाहते हैं, दैट ऑल्सो यू कैन चूज़ वाइल एडिंग दिस प्रोडक्ट इटसेल्फ. सो ये एक 1-on-1 प्रोडक्ट अपलोड का वे है. एज आई सेड, अगर आपके पास मल्टीपल SKUs हैं, 100, 200 एवरीथिंग, देयर इज़ नो लिमिट. आप अपने बल्क अपलोड से वो कर सकते हैं. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, अगर लेट्स से अपैरल में ही अगर आपके मल्टीपल वेरिएशंस हैं, कलर्स हैं, दैट ऑल्सो यू कैन चूज़ टू डू इट. इफ़ यू हैव ऑलरेडी अपलोडेड वन प्रोडक्ट, आपको वहाँ पे एक ऑप्शन शो होगा ऐड न्यू वेरिएंट का, एज यू कैन सी ऑन द स्क्रीन. सो बिकॉज ऑफ द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ टाइम आप ये वेरिएंट्स ऐड करना, सॉरी, सो आप प्रोडक्ट की बात कर रहे हैं या कैटेगरी की बात कर रहे हैं? ये 1-to-1 अपलोड का मेथड है. इसके अलावा देयर इज़ अनदर मेथड ऑफ बल्क अपलोड, जिसमें आप फाइल के थ्रू एक साथ मल्टीपल प्रोडक्ट ऐड कर सकते हैं. बिकॉज ऑफ द टाइम आई एम ओनली ट्राइंग टू टेल यू कि सिर्फ 1-to-1 प्रोडक्ट कैसे अपलोड करते हैं. दिस स्लाइड ऑल्सो हैव बल्क अपलोड मेथड्स.
सर, आप प्रोडक्ट और कैटेगरी दोनों साथ में भी बना सकते हैं. एक नया प्रोडक्ट और एक नया कैटेगरी, फिर आप उसी कैटेगरी में और प्रोडक्ट्स डाल सकते हैं. सो बोथ यू कैन डू टुगेदर.
यस, yeah. Product is actually longer in height and smaller in width. Okay, then this is what is happening. You mean your image is cropped? So in that case, I'll suggest to put multiple images, but I'll take your question like separately also. What we can do about it?
Yeah, we have different aspect ratios. We'll guide you one-on-one on that, how to change aspect ratios and have the images.
Okay, so now we have talked about how you can upload a product, but अभी हम हमारी वेबसाइट के अगर एस्थेटिक्स के बारे में बात करें कि आप अपने लोगो, बैनर, हेडर्स और बाकी चीज़ें कैसे कर सकते हैं. आई लाइक चेतना टू टेक दिस.
सो वीव नाउ क्रिएटेड द स्टोर एंड हमने वेबसाइट क्रिएट कर लिया है. बट ऑफकोर्स सारी वेबसाइट्स एक जैसी नहीं हो सकती हैं. हमें अपनी वेबसाइट को अलग बनाने के लिए उसको कस्टमाइज़ करना पड़ेगा अकॉर्डिंग टू व्हाट आवर बिजनेस इज़, व्हाट आवर कैटेगरी इज़, या हमारा परसेप्शन हमारे बिजनेस को लेके कैसे है, उसके हिसाब से हम डिफरेंट चीज़ें करेंगे. वेबसाइट अपीयरेंस चेंज करते हैं. जैसे ये हमारा जो डेस्कटॉप वर्जन जो निकिता बात कर रहे थे, हम डेस्कटॉप वर्जन के थ्रू वेबसाइट अपीयरेंस चेंज कर सकते हैं. वी कैन शो डिफरेंट थीम्स. अगर आपको प्रोडक्ट्स ऊपर दिखाने हैं, आपको बैनर कैसे दिखाना है, वो आप अकॉर्डिंगली इसमें चेंज कर सकते हो. देन वी हैव ट्रस्ट बैजेस. सो अपेरेंटली व्हेन वी जब आप अमेज़ॉन से खरीदते हो कोई प्रोडक्ट या कोई भी और मार्केट प्लेस से जो रिनाउंड है, तो लोगों को ऑलरेडी लोगों के पास ट्रस्ट है कि ये अमेज़ॉन का प्रोडक्ट है, अगर गलत भी आएगा तो हम रिटर्न कर सकते हैं या थिंग्स लाइक दैट। वेबसाइट को ट्रस्टवर्दी ऑडियंस और कस्टमर को बनाने के लिए हमें बहुत चीज़ें ऐड करनी पड़ती हैं। वन ऑफ दोज इज़ ट्रस्ट बैजेस। तो उसमें वंस द कस्टमर कम्स टू योर वेबसाइट एंड वो ये ट्रस्ट बैजेस देखते हैं तो उनको भी ये रेलिवेंट लगता है एंड दे फील दैट दिस वेबसाइट इज़ रेलिवेंट एंड हम इस वेबसाइट को ट्रस्ट करके इससे खरीद सकते हैं। सो वी हैव 4 ट्रस्ट बैजेस ऑल्सो दैट यू कैन ऐड ऑन योर वेबसाइट. This is how you can add those trust badges on your website. You'll go to the profile section, click on update trust badges. You will see a default badge update. Tap on any of the badge you want to update. Select the type of the badge and you want to choose from the library icons. This is the entire process. आप ऐप के थ्रू ही बहुत quickly like within 3-4 minutes कर सकते हो. And फिर आप एक प्रीव्यू स्क्रीन करोगे, वहाँ पे आपके ट्रस्ट बैजेस आ जाएंगे. आप सेव करके, इट्स अ वेरी वेरी सीमलेस एंड वेरी स्मूथ प्रोसेस. सेव करोगे एंड देन यू कैन व्यू ऑल द बैजेस दैट यू हैव अपडेटेड ऑन योर वेबसाइट. Another thing is, we were talking about custom categories. Custom categories is very important because not all the categories were included like we earlier saw. So custom categories को add करने का ये process है. Again, we will be on the app. Then we'll log in on like SmartBiz account पे log in करके we'll go to the catalog section. वहाँ पे we'll click on categories and go to add new categories. Then we'll add the details of the new category like the category image, the category name, description, whatever we want to describe that category as. वो description add करने के बाद we'll click on the create category and then that's how a new custom category that you want to update will be there on your website. And by clicking the 3 dots here, if you can see, you can also edit, share and delete the category if in future you want to delete it or you want to change it or edit it. जैसे भी आपको अपने website को customize करना है वो आप later on कर सकते हो. This is the way to create and edit custom category on desktop version. जैसे हमने बताया हम डेस्कटॉप पे भी मोस्टली अगर हमें जैसे बल्क अपलोड भी करना है तो हम डेस्कटॉप वर्जन ही यूज़ करते हैं. तो उस पर हाउ डू यू एडिट एंड क्रिएट कस्टम कैटेगरीज, दिस इज़ द प्रोसेस. वी लॉग इन ऑन द डेस्कटॉप वर्जन. लिंक निकिता ने आपको इनिशियली दिया था. उस पर वी लॉग इन ऑन योर SmartBiz अकाउंट. फिर उस पर कैटलॉग पे जाके ऐड न्यू कैटेगरी करेंगे. वेरी सिमिलर प्रोसेस. वील ऐड प्रोडक्ट इमेजेस. 6 प्रोडक्ट इमेजेस मैक्सिमम आप ऐड कर सकते हो. देन प्रोडक्ट नेम, डिस्क्रिप्शन, MRP, सेलिंग प्राइस, ऑल दोज नेसेसरी डिटेल्स. Then we'll select the available category from the drop down or you can click on the add new category. Name the category आपको जो भी नेम करनी है. Click on add. Then that's how it gets added. उसके बाद आप एक और चीज़ अनेबल कर सकते हो विच इज़ द ट्रेंडिंग कैटेगरी. जो आपकी वेबसाइट पे जो ज़्यादा सेल हो रही है या आपकी वेबसाइट बनाने के पहले भी आपको लगता है कि ये ज़्यादा सेल होगी, वो आप अपनी वेबसाइट पे एज अ ट्रेंडिंग कैटेगरी दिखा सकते हो सो दैट पीपल कम और वो लोग वो चीज़ ज़्यादा सेलेक्ट करें. एंड सिंस आपको पता है कि वो प्रोडक्ट अच्छा है आपका तो वो ज़्यादा सेल होगी. तो सिमिलरली आप उसको एक ट्रेंडिंग कैटेगरी करके दिखा सकते हो आपकी वेबसाइट पे विच इज़ अ गुड कस्टमाइजेबल फीचर. नाउ वील कम टू व्हाट डिलीवरी ऑप्शंस एंड शिपिंग ऑप्शंस वी हैव. निकिता विल टेक दिस अप.
ओके, सो इम्पॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट्स जो हमारी वेबसाइट के होते हैं. फर्स्ट, आपका कस्टमर आके प्रोडक्ट उस पर ख़रीद सकता है. सेकंड, उसी में एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट आता है पेमेंट एंड शिपिंग. सो आई विल कवर शिपिंग बिफोर कि हमारे पास शिपिंग के SmartBiz क्या क्या ऑप्शन प्रोवाइड कर रहा है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल देर आर 2 थिंग्स. वन, स्टोर पिकअप. तो जब मैंने आपको बोला था कि आप एड्रेस वहाँ पे डालिए ताकि अगर आप अपना स्टोर पिकअप ऑन करते हैं तो कस्टमर आपकी वेबसाइट पे ऑर्डर प्लेस कर सकता है एंड वो खुद आके अपनी कन्वीनियंस से ले सकता है. सेकंड, विच इज़ अनदर मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग, इज़ होम डिलीवरी. नाउ होम डिलीवरी में भी वी हैव मल्टीपल थिंग्स कमिंग इन स्टोर पिकअप. एज आई एक्सप्लेन, आप अपने ऐप में जाएंगे, अभी प्रोफाइल में देखेंगे, यू विल सी दिस ऑप्शन ऑफ पिकअप. आप अगर उसको ऑन रखेंगे तो जो टाइम आप डिफाइन करेंगे उस विंडो में कस्टमर आपके शॉप से पिकअप कर सकता है. नाउ होम डिलीवरी में यू विल सी डिलीवरी ऑप्शन अगेन ये भी आपके ऊपर है कि आप उसको ऑन रखना चाहते हैं या नहीं, या फिर आप सिर्फ पिकअप से काम कराना चाहते हैं. सो आप जब डिलीवरी ऑप्शन चूज़ करेंगे, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल एज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट ये क्वेश्चन आता भी है कि डिलीवरी फ़ी कैसे रहेगी या क्या रहेगी. डिफ़ॉल्ट स्मार्ट बिज़ 0 करके रखता है बिकॉज दिस इज़ बिटवीन आप एंड योर डिलीवरी पार्टनर. सो इट इज़ सजेस्टेड कि आप अपने अकॉर्डिंग पहले इसको एडिट करें. Okay, so now in shipping there are two things which we talk about. One is self ship. Self ship यानी अगर आपका कोई already preferred shipping partner है तो आप उसके थ्रू शिपिंग कर सकते हैं and you can enter that data in the system and that will help the customer to track that. Other thing is we have ShipRocket integrated in the application. Even if you see, like if you have already made the store, आप देखेंगे ShipRocket का. अगर किसी ने ShipRocket यूज़ किया हुआ है, they'll know how does it function, कि वहाँ आपको आपके पैकेज के डिटेल्स वगैरह एंटर करने पे एक शिपिंग फ़ी आपको मिलती है. So that shipping fee के according you can select and then you can choose your preferred delivery partner under ShipRocket. So इसमें we are already giving 500 rupees in the wallet as a part of our engagement program with ShipRocket and उनका जो enterprise plan है वो automatically activated रहेगा which is worth 60K for the year. Now about handling time. So this is basically the time जो आपको वहाँ देना है आपके प्रोडक्ट के अकॉर्डिंग विच विल डिस्प्ले ऑन योर कस्टमर इंटरफेस कि कितने दिन में आप लोग शिप करते हैं बिकॉज डिलीवरी टाइम यू कैन नॉट मेंशन इट ओवर देयर. सो दैट इज़ इट हाउ यू कैन चूज़. यू कैन ऑल्सो चूज़ टू सेट योर डिलीवरी रेडियस. लेट्स से आप लोकल डिलीवरी करना चाहते हैं मे बी विद इन गुजरात इटसेल्फ और लेट्स से ओनली नॉर्थ पार्ट ऑफ इट और इतना, तो यू कैन पुट योर रेडियस ओवर देयर. So according to that, so we don't put pin codes but we can define a area over here जहाँ तक आप delivery करना चाहते हैं. And as it is there in the screen, the first phone screen you see, manage courier partner. So you will get this option. आप हर order पे आपको ये option मिलेगा कि आपको वो self ship करना है या फिर ShipRocket के साथ जाना है. Okay. So this is when we have spoken about कि आपका शॉप बन गया है, स्टोर बन गया है. What about when ऑर्डर आ गया है? So you will get this notification in the application that you have received an order. I would like कि जब आप लोगों को मिले ऑर्डर तो प्लीज़ मुझे भी बताइएगा how is your experience. So here you will have an option. First of all आपके एक्सेप्ट करने से पहले कस्टमर के पास भी ऑप्शन रहेगा कैंसिल करने का. But that is a very limited time. But एक बार आपके पास आ गया है and once it is accepted, it will go through this flow chart जिसमें आप order accept करेंगे, ship करेंगे and that you have to mark and accordingly if it's on ShipRocket it will get progress in the application. So you can see the images कि it is very intuitive. आपको मतलब उसमें कुछ ज़्यादा समझने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं है. You will see these options over there. So ShipRocket process. So I have already taken ShipRocket with you and as I said we are getting constant reminder कि हमारे पास अभी टाइम बहुत कम है and आप लोगों के पास सवाल बहुत ज़्यादा हैं. So I think ये process आप कर सकते हैं. Lastly just one thing I want to say, we are associated with Razorpay for the payment gateway integration. So that process is also there in the application. जो screens हम यहाँ use कर रहे हैं is exactly what you can see on your phone screens. And other thing is we also have COD also activated, which again you can choose to opt for or not use it. ये भी आपकी discrepancy पे है, आप करना चाहते हैं या नहीं. We have already covered this that आप अपना custom domain choose कर सकते हैं and there are multiple other aesthetical features which you can see. I'm just browsing through it and all of this is available there on your application and half of the things we have already discussed. This is just one thing. This is how the user interface going to look like for the customers of your. So Instead of talking about marketing, which comes once your website is up, we can take questions. Yes, sir. I think buy with Amazon is the question.
So there are two checkout methods. Now in either case, who owns the customer data?
Checkout, sorry, in case when it's a checkout directly on your website, you control the entire customer data as a seller. But when it is buy with Amazon, where Amazon is populating the customer data is coming from Amazon only, where the customer would have already signed up with Amazon, is already an Amazon customer and has consented to give that data to Amazon. So it's that data which will be leveraged for checkout.
So bottom line is that only the customers who don't opt for that option, that data will only come to the website owner.
Yeah, even the other one, right? Your customer data will be there. I mean, whatever website customer data. What we are saying is when we are putting buy with Amazon as a checkout, primarily वो customer number मतलब Amazon से ही आ रहा है, right? So we already have that customer. That is what is powering. But all the customers, whoever is purchasing from your website, they are your customers. So that you will have the data.
This this SmartBiz app is, I guess, only for inventory or trading kind of businesses. Is there anything for service businesses?
Yeah, so currently it caters to product-based businesses. In case you have a service-based business which doesn't need a calendar or a time setting, you can still use this website to share it with your customers. However, we don't have the facility to have a calendar or a time selection to get the service. In that way, it is limited for service businesses. You can add whatever delivery period you want, say 10 to 15 days if you are customer.
For service.
Second question is, when the transportation cost is to be added, it will differ from, let's say, for an inner circle of Gujarat, or it will differ because, let's say, we are supposed to ship it to eastern side of it, and we don't have that option to add it into the system. And in that case, what will happen is the cost of product will have to be pre-added transportation cost.
Yeah, bang on. It's a dynamic delivery thing. As of now, we have standard delivery, but that we are building. It's a constant demand from sellers. We will build, let's say, local, regional, national, different charges up set करना है. वो feature build कर रहे हैं हम. अभी it is standard.
Yeah, thank you. What are the Amazon charges when we are selling a product through Amazon? I mean, the same charges applied for in this case because your percentage is honestly very high in certain product cases where it's a low price, high volume products.
Very good question, sir. Do you already sell on Amazon?
Actually, because of all these issues, I have asked few of people. I never tried to get into it.
Got it.
Because I look at your structure. So your margin structure is so high that it's at times quite to around 25-30%.
Yes, sir, we got it. Yeah.
Got it. No, so this is not that model. This is the own website. I think cost we talked this year because we are building, as we told, right? We have 500 plus early adopter. This year we are not taking any charges. Even whenever we start charging, let's say, whenever we start charging, the entire purpose is, even in this industry, आप भी देख सकते हैं, our intention is not to take that kind of high kind of revenue share. Yeah, normal charges like the shipping charges जो होता है like. No. So Amazon charges you will have, for example, आपका commission होगा, आपका मतलब FBA charges होगा. Those are not there. So it's a website, right? It's आपका website. So as of now, it's free, as we talked about. Buy with Amazon whenever it is integrated. That shipment fee, anyways, if it is buy with Amazon or if it is Shiprocket, if it is delivery, Blue Dart, जो दोगे, that is the only thing. We are not charging the entire model of commission or FBA, etc.
You have a question?
Done with the question.
There's one question right in the green shirt, gentleman. Yeah.
Yeah. So first of all, you mentioned WhatsApp redirecting. Is this something kind of chatbot you are going to create, or something else? Number two, you have mentioned no code website, right? So I have been researching since long about the no commerce and WooCommerce also. Is this something related to that?
Yes, sir. So second question I'll answer first. It's a shorter answer. It's yes. We are in the similar industry as WooCommerce, Shopify, Dukaan. But how we are different is each of these platforms will need you to have a developer to do some level of coding for integrating certain things, like you want coupons or you want reviews or you want testimonials. For everything, some coding is required on that platform to integrate these. With SmartBiz, you don't need any coding to integrate any of these features. Everything is out of, like we were showing a while ago. Everything is in the app. You can just set it up yourself. On the first question, which was WhatsApp retargeting, so that is not a chatbot. That is जब आपके website पे customer is shopping, at every point, like say they are on home page, then they go to the PDP, then they go to the cart. At which point they are dropping off. Customers do drop off at every point. Say if they drop off during the cart stage, cart पे product add किया but did not pay and check out, we will record those events and you will be able to configure कि आप किस event पे कौन सा message भेजेंगे अपने customer को, so that they are more interested to complete that journey till payment. That is retargeting. We will use WhatsApp as the method to send those nudges to customers. In WhatsApp business account, you can set up कि what will be that message to, and what will be, say, a coupon associated with that message, that you will be setting up on WhatsApp.
Yeah. There's a question.
मैंने इसमें एक बात देखी कि एक साथ 100 से ज़्यादा कस्टमर को मैसेज करने का भी मार्केटिंग का फीचर्स है, तो उसमें एक ज़्यादा मैसेज करेंगे तो व्हाट्सएप ब्लॉक हो जाने की संभावना.
A good question, very good. I think you would have tried already maybe WhatsApp. So हम जो नंबर से भेजेंगे वो गपशप का एक डिफ़ॉल्ट नंबर होगा, आपका नंबर नहीं होगा, तो वो ब्लॉक नहीं होगा. इट्स अ बिजनेस अकाउंट, तो इट विल नॉट गेट ब्लॉक.
उसका रिप्लाई आएगा वो.
You will be able to see the interactions. Yeah.
Okay.
Any further questions? Otherwise, they have a couple or more points to make. All right, we'll take one question. Sir, please take mic and ask, because there's somebody in the video camera. नहीं sir, वो record नहीं होता है. This is for ages. This video will be used. Please ask the question. We'll come to sir later on. Sir, it will still not catch. That's how cameras work. Yeah, please.
Generally, Amazon and Flipkart ये marketplace पे GST and all registration is compulsory. तो यहाँ पे भी GST is compulsory or not?
It's not compulsory. If you are a non-GST business owner, you can also create your website without giving any GST.
So we don't collect any of it. तो आप payment जब करते हैं, like Razorpay is our partner, right? KYC होता है आपका. Whatever kind of like sole proprietorship, I think certain amount है without GST. There will be certain proofs. GST with it, certain proofs. So we are anyways not collecting, so it doesn't matter to us.
Okay. My question is, why can't we have to-pay basis as an option to be given? To-pay freight charges. Freight charges as an extra. Customer pays at the end.
So if you set up COD on your website, you can add a certain COD charge to it. So that can be your...
I'm not talking about payment collection. I'm talking about the transportation portion of the cost.
So you want to
so
collect
what we will do, usually many of places in engineering goods, the transportation is done. Okay, transportation is done by the seller, but the transportation cost is paid by the customer at the end when he is collecting, and it will be at actuals. Okay, so we can add that feature as well.
So you're saying you will collect the price of the product,
But not the transport.
but not the transportation cost, and that you want to collect later.
No, we will not collect it at
So
all. The
it will- they
customer
will
will pay
directly
directly
pay.
to the
Okay.
transporter.
So this option is not integrated on our platform yet. However, when you use Shiprocket as your shipping provider, you will be able to configure that over there, that the shipping charges will be collected from the customer when you are doing, but that will be a customized thing which you'll have to do order wise when you're doing on Shiprocket.
Any other questions?
The other option is you can set cash on delivery, where at the time of the discharge, and you can mention basically the conditions etc. can be mentioned on product page as well, right? Transport charges etc. So that will be there.
Thick. In the blue shirt.
Thank you very much for a wonderful session. My first question is like, can we use FBA integrated in this particular website? And the second one is, like how SmartBiz will help us to market our website, because that is the biggest challenge for most of the business as far as my understanding.
So I will answer your second question. First. We do help you, once your website is live with us, we can help you market the website. We have different ways of marketing, like Bhagishri mentioned also. We have social commerce, and social commerce maybe have partnered with Hippie. So uske through we can help you market. Otherwise, apart from that, we also offer some of the expertise that we have in-house, which could be unpaid marketing services for you, where we could help you improve your social media, and we can help you sell through social media. We can help you figure out how you can improve your social media platform and your presence of your brand, and then you can get customers and you can get conversion through that. So for marketing we have different ways, and for the first question I think Anusha.
Yeah. Okay, sorry.
For the first one, I think for FBA, अगर आपका inventory है ना, one is buy with Amazon can use आपका FBA inventory. The other product एक और है multi-channel fulfillment करके. तो वहाँ पे also आपका website orders can be processed through आपका अगर FBA inventory है तो. बट डिफ़ॉल्ट ऑप्शन स्मार्टबिज में जो है वो हम, बिकॉज वी वांटेड टू गिव फ्रीडम फॉर सेलर्स, राइट? आप इधर शिपरॉकेट यूज़ कर सकते हो या कोई और लाइक योर अदर इन्वेंट्री सोर्सेस यूज़ कर सकते हो. बट अदर इफ़ यू वांट टू यूज़ योर FBA इन्वेंट्री एंड देन शिपमेंट, दोज टू अदर ऑप्शंस, बाय विथ अमेजॉन एंड देन MCF, वी कैन चैट ऑफलाइन एज वेल ऑन दिस.
Ma'am, if you can just stand up because it's difficult for them to see.
SmartBiz sellers and Amazon sellers में फ़र्क क्या होगा, डिफरेंसेस क्या हो सकते हैं?
स्मार्टबिज सेलर आप खुद का बिजनेस है, मतलब खुद का वेबसाइट है, खुद का कस्टमर है, खुद का प्रोडक्ट है.
बट सेलर्स आर द सेम ना, जो हम Amazon में भी बेच सकते हैं. We are creating a website and doing that.
If you don't mind, can I answer that question? Because I think that's because a lot of them are just simple businessmen and not the IT background. देखिए, आपको अगर ड्राई फ्रूट ख़रीदना है, आप मंडी में जाते हो, वहाँ पे 50 दुकान एक साथ ड्राई फ्रूट की लगी है, तो वो अमेज़ॉन है, वो मंडी है, मार्केट प्लेस है. और अगर आपको अच्छा ड्राई फ्रूट चाहिए और एक ही पर्टिकुलर दुकान से ही आप लेते हो और आपको पता है मुझे XYZ ड्राई फ्रूट एंड किराना वाला से ही लेना है जो सैटेलाइट में, मंडी में नहीं है, तो वो स्टोर हो गया. तो ये वाला है. स्मार्टबिज जो है वो एक्सक्लूसिव आपका स्टोर है, वहाँ पे फिर और किसी का और कोई भी माल नहीं बिकेगा. अगर आप साड़ी वाले हो और आप आसोपालो से ले रहे हो तो आसोपालो, लेकिन जब आप अमेज़ॉन पे साड़ी लिखते हो तो आपको सारी दुकान एक साथ साड़ी बताती है. सो वही फ़र्क है. बाकी ऑनलाइन खरीदिए, बाकी सब बेसिक्स वही है. आई थिंक देयर इज अ क्वेश्चन बिहाइंड विच वी कैन टेक आफ्टर सर.
So to add to what you are saying, the second biggest difference would be the ownership of the customer's data.
Correct, certainly. That is far more refined. The IT side of it. But yeah, there's one hand I saw somewhere in between. Do we have any questions? Otherwise, they have a couple of. I'll come to you, sir. There's one in the black T-shirt. Oh, sorry. Okay, and then we come to sir again. Yes, sir.
अभी मैंने रजिस्टर किया है. अभी रजिस्टर किया है मैंने एप्लीकेशन.
सर थोड़ा माइक नज़दीक रखिए, सुनाई देगा.
एप्लीकेशन रजिस्टर किया अभी मैंने, तो उसमें ईमेल आईडी में मोबाइल नंबर कहाँ से आ रहा है? एक्चुअली मोबाइल नंबर मतलब बहुत पुराना है, शायद बंद हो गया है.
आपका अमेज़ॉन की ऑलरेडी जो ईमेल आईडी होगी उससे वो लिंक्ड होगा मोबाइल नंबर.
एक्चुअली उसको चेंज करने का ऑप्शन चाहिए क्योंकि वो मोबाइल नंबर तो बंद हो गया है.
So we can use some other email ID जो आप अभी मोबाइल नंबर यूज़ कर रहे हो उससे जो email ID linked है. We can help you with that. एक बार ये सेशन के बाद हाँ हम आपको हेल्प कर देंगे.
Exactly.
वो ऐप पे चेंज कर सकते हैं. Amazon की जो ऐप है आपकी उस पे चेंज कर सकते हो जाके.
पहले इनको दे दीजिए. अरे भाई माइक की तरह
Continuing to his question, the data, if he has not checked out, I mean he has not paid or he has partially dropped, will that data come to us?
So there is a feature called Google Analytics, which will be integrated with your website. You will be able to track and monitor the entire traffic which is coming on your website. कि आपके home page पे कितना traffic है, आपके product description page पे कितना traffic है, उनके demographics कैसे थे, like how was their age, gender, everything. All of this you can track using Google Analytics, which will be a feature integrated to your website.
I am talking about specific phone number or email ID or customer details.
Yes.
If he has entered but not paid.
Correct. That we are building. Only वहाँ पे caveat है. Only after the login आपको आएगा. Because login होने के बाद में ही वो होगा. Our login comes slightly later. So उसके बाद में whatever like login या like clicked, abandoned cart etc आएगा once they login.
Can you change the I mean थोड़ा बहुत change करके यदि login करके किया तो आएगा पे हमें detail मिलेगी.
Sir,
even if he has
the
not
login
paid.
has been done and if the order is unfulfilled, you will get the data.
Okay.
Yes. Black T-shirt.
Compared to Instagram, so that it can boost visibility to the users.
Yeah, so we are partnered with two platforms. One is Hippie, which has more than 50 million subscribers, and another is George, which has more than 150 million subscribers on it.
Okay. Do we have any questions, or if there is one slide or two that they want to finish, you want to finish something?
So I think there will be more questions. So I have put this QR. You can fill this form, and our team members, because we have a team of expertise sitting in Bangalore, and आप लोगों के काफ़ी targeted जो questions हैं उनको वो और भी अच्छे से answer कर पाएंगे. You can use this QR to reach out to us. Apart from this, you can note this email ID also, which is our support email ID, which also is monitored by all of us. आप ये email ID भी रख सकते हैं. These are the two methods you can reach out to us. So I think
You can show the QR. I think people.
Yeah, I'll show the QR again.
Also, sir, adding to your question, we have paid marketing services as well, which includes Meta ads, Google ads. So we have packages for that. So once you've built your website, we can explain you that as well. But that is obviously paid. You'll have to pay according to how long you have to put the ads for and things like that. So we have those services as well.
Any other questions? All right.
Okay, Janil, you can take the stage.
Thank you so much.
Why not?
Yes.
We need to use different email addresses. Yep. smartpeas-support@amazon.com. It's a dash. All right. Thank you so much. I think the four ladies. I mean, when at a time when we are talking of women empowerment, I think nation is also getting a sense of what women-led empowerment can rather look like, and not just women empowerment. Yeah. So, but I think extremely happy. We apparently had a gentleman on the panel as well. Unfortunately, Professor has not been able to make it. Oh, I'm so sorry. Sir, did I miss you? So maybe I think he has pearls of wisdom. We had him on panel, but of course, maybe through paucity of time, we're not able to take him up. But thank you so much, sir, for joining. But anyways, you could make it an all-women galaxy out here for us. So thank you for all four of you for flying down from Bangalore. It was exceptionally kind of insightful, because new tools, new platforms like this need such hands-on session. Compliments to you for making it very brief and hands-on. I'm sure there are a lot of questions unanswered, or as the time goes by you will have. We've kind of recorded this entire session. We are going to put put it on YouTube. So તમારામાંથી કોઈ એવું હોય કે જેમને એવું લાગે તમે આજે આવ્યો હોત તો ફાયદો થાત, ઘરે બેઠા ક્રાફ્ટનું કામ કરતા હોય, so many things. I mean, we know there are so many Atmanirbhar entrepreneurs here in the city. So please send a recording of this session to them and see how to do it, right? They'll get a sense of it. That's it. Once again at AMA, thank you so much for coming up on a summer evening and making it possible for all of us. Thank you so much once again. Yeah. For the photo. Okay. I need a team. Unmesh bhai, sorry. Thank you. I'll send you this photo. अच्छा